What we do here is go back.
Hi, I'm Zaman, this is Best Hombre, and today we're going to be putting this ECS Tuning Luft Technik Intake on this 3.6 liter VR6.
Actually, what we're going to be doing is doing a before and after on the decibel meter readings for before the intake and after the intake. I forgot to do this, so if you want to see the full install, definitely check that video out. I'll link it below. But this will just be a before and after, what it was like driving around before the intake and then after the intake with the decibel meter readings that I had completely forgot to do in the original video. So thank you for the person who shot that out, and here you go.
Averaging 40 miles per hour, I was able to get 21.1. I was getting about 22, but I sat for a while because it was cold, starting up the car a couple times.